Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 10 side hustles you can do from home to earn some extra money. With the rise of remote work and the gig economy, there are now more opportunities than ever to earn a little extra cash on the side. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 10 on our list is freelance writing. If you have a talent for writing, you can offer your services to businesses and individuals in need of content for their websites, blogs, or marketing materials. Number 9 is online tutoring. With many students now learning from home, there is a high demand for tutors who can provide virtual support in subjects like math, science, and English. Number 8 is social media management. If you're savvy with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, you can offer your services to businesses and influencers who need help growing their online presence. Number 7 is graphic design. If you have a knack for design, you can create logos, websites, and marketing materials for businesses and individuals. Number 6 is virtual event planning. With many events now taking place online, there is a need for virtual event planners who can coordinate things like webinars, virtual conferences, and online parties. Number 5 is transcription. If you're a good listener and can type quickly, you can offer your services as a transcriber to businesses and individuals who need audio or video files transcribed into written form. Number 4 on our list is online research. If you're good at digging up information online, you can offer your services as a researcher to businesses and individuals who need help with things like market research, competitive analysis, or background checks. Number 3 is e-commerce. If you have a product or service to sell, you can set up an online store and sell your goods or services to customers around the world. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. If you have a blog or social media following, you can earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. And finally, number 1 on our list is online teaching. With the rise of e-learning, there is a high demand for online teachers who can teach subjects like language, music, or fitness. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 side hustles you can do from home to earn some extra cash. Do you have any other ideas or suggestions? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one.